Hey, what's up? This is gonna be a quick yap session, but I want to cover fear of losing because there was a guy in the Discord and he said, "Oh, I have massive fear of losing," and because he has massive fear of losing in trading, he enters with too little size or second guesses his setups and things like that. And I just want to go over what I said to him, which is number one, understand that blowing accounts, like blowing evals and funded accounts, is totally normal. And you should actually risk heavier on them, like, for example, risk half your drawdown per eval, because that way you can pass it way faster and get the payout way faster instead of sitting on the eval for like 1 month or 2 months. So either way, that was the first thing. And also on the XFA, so like on the funded accounts, to risk heavier, like 1/4 of the drawdown, depending on your win rate. But like risk a lot, because that way you can get payouts way faster, and just understand that blowing evals is like part of the process. And then I also said that fear of losing might also be because he has lack of confidence in his model. So because he has lack of confidence, he is worried about every single trade because he doesn't understand, or he doesn't know yet that his model will be profitable over a long period of time. And because of this, he is so focused on winning every single trade because he doesn't know yet that if he loses like 3 trades, it's okay, because over a period of like 1 month, he will win 7, and it will be a total of 10 trades, and he might lose 3, but he will win 7 and he will be profitable. But he doesn't know this yet because he doesn't have the data and the confidence backing up his model. And I also said to him to not have the Discord open, because that way he can get, massive FOMO if he sees that other people in the Discord enter a trade, for example, and it's not really his model, or he doesn't feel comfortable entering the trade to begin with, and he gets massive FOMO, and then he takes some stupid shit that he shouldn't do just because other people took something. So don't have the Discord open while you trade, because it's yeah, it's just unnecessary, at least in the beginning. And then I also said, so if he's not confident enough in his model, he should just enter the trade, take this setup, like his A plus setup, take the model, and then just close his laptop and walk away, because that way he can't do some stupid shit like change his stop loss or whatever, and just let the trade play out, and that way he builds confidence in his model and can build confidence in his model. And once he has this confidence, he will no longer have the fear of losing, which is the whole point. And just risk heavy and build that confidence by closing your laptop and not have the Discord open. That's basically it. So it's a very short video, but I was interested in starting like a trading YouTube again, and I know I can help a lot of people, and I love helping people. So yeah, that's it for this one. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Peace and bye.